Local news for Wednesday, the 10th of June. A just released report from the infrastructure consulting firm AECOM, commissioned by the region's 9 councils, shows that the Greater Wellington region's gross greenhouse gas emissions fell by 5% between 2001 and 2019. Of all areas, Wairarapa has the highest gross emissions of all cities in the district due to its comparatively large agricultural sector. However, the amount of forestry located in Wairarapa, which absorbs carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, means its net emissions are only third highest. Greater Wellington's Balance Farm Environment Awards are being screened tonight via YouTube. Run by New Zealand Farm Environment Trust, the annual awards champion sustainable farming, and a growing range of awards are given out in each of the 11 participating regions, including one regional Supreme Award winner. And the 2020 New Zealand Enduro Championships kick off in Wairarapa this weekend, and it's going to take someone special to claim the top prize. Rounds 1 and 2 are in Masterton and Martinborough, respectively, this Saturday and Sunday. Good luck to all competitors. For local news and sport, kia ora, I'm Brent Gare.